today's content, guess what? As you can see, we have the Google AdSense pin for our client. Like I told you, as you can see very well. Remember, in our last content and our last video, I told you guys about how to change your address to fast track your pin to come to you faster. Yes, there may be some address that is not accessible on the Google map. Yes, maybe your address is in an area that is outskirts of the postal office, or you don't have any postal office close to you. Google may likely not send your pin because it's not seeing the address on the Google map. So I did a video on how to change your address to a visible address that will be accessible to Google, so you can get your pin faster. And we all know, without this pin you can't be monetized, and if you don't impute this pin in the space of 4 months, you're going to be demonetized. So walk with me while I show you the step on how to put the pin. We're walking you through the step-by-step guide on how you're going to impute your pin that was being sent to your address by Google AdSense to verify your address. Okay, so you're going to make sure you go to your Google AdSense account, you open your account. Okay, then if you see here on my dashboard, you're going to see your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. Your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. Okay, as you can see here, balance, you can see that they are on hold. Okay, so for me to verify my address, I just click on action there. Okay, I'm going to click on action. Then if I scroll down, you can see verify your identity, confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive payments. As I told you, without the PIN you can't start getting payments, and if you don't use this PIN in the next 3-4 months, you're going to be demonetized. Okay, so now we're going to be imputing this PIN over here. Okay, so without wasting time, let's impute our PIN. And you must make sure you have a stable network. Okay, you must make sure your network is stable. Okay, so I'm going to just confirm the pins as meant to this one. Okay, so let's check the mail there. Okay, so I'm going to impute the pin there. Okay, then click on submit. Now you can see identification verification completed, address verification completed. You can see it's a unique pin, so verification checker. So I'm going to refresh this page to see now verify identity. Now you can see it's now completed, address verification completed. Okay, so let's go back to AdSense for you to see there. Now you can see your balance is updated once a month in AdSense. For you to view estimated end during the month, go to YouTube analysis. Okay, yes, so I believe we are now professionals on how to impute our Google AdSense pin and how to follow the setup so we don't get demonetized, and also so we start receiving payments. Okay, so in case you find these tutorials insightful, in case you find this video helpful, please don't forget to smash the notification button. Don't forget to press the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe to Abi Hustle. Please, in case you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because when next you meet on Abi Hustle, I'm going to be teaching you how to manipulate this in case you're not getting your pin faster and how to fast track it. So until when next you meet on Abi Hustle, stay blessed and remain in peace.